On today's episode of University Tour, welcome to Palacký University in Olomouc, the one with a long standing tradition. Founded in the 16th century, it is the oldest university in Moravia and the second oldest in the Czech Republic. It's a modern higher education facility with a wide range of study programs, scientific and research activities. The university is one of the very top universities in Czech Republic and it ranks among the best universities in the world according to international rankings. In this video, I'll walk you through a few of the colleges, otherwise known as faculties here. Let's begin with the Faculty of Science. It is responsible for a large portion of the university's research and contributes significantly to its ever improving position in international university rankings. There's this giant Foucault pendulum you'd see immediately you get in. That's a famous experimental device which demonstrates our planet's rotation. It's actually the longest Foucault pendulum in the Czech Republic. The faculty offers a wide range of bachelor's, master's, and doctoral study in programs like mathematics, computer science, physics, and others. During summer, you don't want to miss the terrace where you can have an exciting view of Olomouc and hang out with friends or colleagues. The Faculty of Law is another faculty with a modern building at the university. And as you know, the goal is to provide excellent legal education. There's even an outdoor sitting area where you could just chillax in summer, chat with friends, and maybe have lunch. And the interior is so beautiful. You need to see the library. The faculty is actually celebrated for its beautiful library, and the atmosphere is a place to enjoy your reading. And when you need something for the belly, there's a cafe within the faculty. There are about 9 departments in this faculty. You probably want to come study different aspects of law. Do you know they actually have departments of languages at this faculty? Where you're talking about legal English, legal French, legal German. I mean, it's so interesting. Come see it for yourself. Do not think you wouldn't find historical buildings at this university. And there is one. It's the Faculty of Education. The design is kind of mixed. I mean, it's both historical and modern at the same time. The faculty offers a wide range of bachelor's, master's, and doctoral study programs. Inside the faculty, you would find a kitchen area where you can grab something to eat, use the microwave, and just dine there. It's for all students of the faculty, there's no restriction. There's also sitting areas on all the floors. It just helps you catch up with friends and all of those things. The most fascinating thing about this faculty is the relaxation area. I'm sure it was designed for student well-being. It's a place to just relax and take a break from every other public space. And it's just by the computer room. Tell me how you wouldn't enjoy studying. If you think this unit is just about studying alone, I promise you're joking. So the Faculty of Science actually owns this building, and it's called Fraud Science, aka Haven for Knowledge. This interactive science center of Palacký University is a unique center for popularization of science and research in central Moravia. The museum arose from an old warehouse from the 19th century, which is a part of the Crown Fortress, and that was a unique military area from the time of Maria Theresa. It's actually a space to experience science, and it's literally fun for the whole family because it combines a unique atmosphere with the power to educate and inspire students, including children and their parents. It makes visitors acquainted with the adventures of scientific disciplines and directions of research and studies at the UNI's Faculty of Science. It is usually closed on Mondays but opened on every other days, including weekends. For some of the exhibitions, you have to make payments, but they aren't expensive. There's UP Lab very close to the main Faculty of Science and Law building. It's also owned by the Faculty of Science. You have a lot to learn and see here too, and there's a cafe at the building as well. There are quite a number of faculties at Palacký University. Many of these faculties do have annexes, so they are usually not just one building. And there are lots of dormitories very close to most of the buildings. One beautiful thing about this university is the fact that the faculty buildings are just all around the city of Olomouc. Hence, we could call the city a university city. The university offers various cultural and social events throughout the academic year, and this includes concerts, festivals, exhibitions, and lectures by guest speakers. These events provide opportunities for students to learn about different cultures. Hope you'd get to visit Olomouc at some point in time, and then you see Palacký University, or maybe just go study there. Thanks for watching this episode and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video, share with your travel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel content.